8th grade, good morning. Sorry about what happened at the Zoom class this morning. I'm going to repeat the class and I'm going to do the exercise again in this video. اللي ما جاوبوش في حصة الزوم exercise number 2 page 19 you can take the answer from here. In this exercise we are going to fill the spaces with the new words that we learned before. What are the new words? They are classical, folk song, instrument, poem, rock music, the heart of the 1950s and used to. These are the new words. We are going to fill the spaces in exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, page 19, we have 8 sentences. Number one, Number one, is music important to Arab people? That's a question. Is music important? B, very. It's at the heart of. It's at the heart of their culture. في قلب الثقافة. I mean the Palestinian culture. Number 2, do you know anything about? Number 2, classical. Do you know anything about classical? Do you know anything about classical Arab music? B, I grew out of ancient poems and the traditional music in different cultures. Okay? Number 3. What's Tariq going to do when he leaves school? What's Tariq doing when he leaves school? The answer, he loves music. So, he wants to be, اللي بحب الموسيقى شو بده يصير؟ He wants to be a musician. Okay? A musician. Now, number 4. How many instruments does he play? How many instruments? كم آلة يعزف? How many instruments does he play? B, he plays the oud and tabla, and he's a good singer. And he's a good singer. That's it. He's a good singer too. أيضا. He's a good singer. Now, let's move to number 5. Question number 5. A. I love listening to traditional folk songs. أغاني شعبية. Me too. Number B. Me too. The old songs show how people used to. Now, number 6. A in number 6. Can you learn to play a instrument? I need adjective word. A musical instrument. That's an adjective. صفة الآلة إنها موسيقية. B, yes I can, for example. I can learn the piano or the guitar. Number 7. I love the of Mahmoud Darwish. What does Mahmoud Darwish write? He writes, he's a poet, شاعر شو بكتب? He writes poems. Of Mahmoud Darwish. B, B. Me too. His of love for Palestine. شعوره إحساسه. Feeling. His feeling of love for Palestine are very clear in his words. Are very clear. The last sentence, number 8. A and B. A and B. Tell me about it develops in America. What kind of a music in America? Rock music. Rock music. Rock music. Yes, it developed here in the what time طورت الموسيقى الروك in America? 1950s. 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 Okay? 1950s. These are the answers. These are the answers of exercise number 2. Okay? 8th grade. Now, at home, you are going to read the comprehension passage at page number 20. At page number 20. Music. We are going to read again about music. And we are going to learn about famous Arab singers. Famous Arab singers in Egypt, especially in Egypt. We are going to learn about Kulthum. Did you hear about her? She is a famous Arab singer, Kulthum. The first at her time. أول مطربة, Kulthum. And Farid al-Atrash. He is also another singer. Okay? After reading the comprehension passage, please go back to page 19. You are going to fill the notes about Kulthum and Farid al-Atrash. Okay? This information you can take from the comprehension passage at page 20. That's your homework. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All the best. 8th grade. Thank you very much.